S, WSS, Repax, from your heart. Ay, itong matang ito, dinidikit ko siya sa akong kaibigan na nanonood ko ngayong gabi. Some comments for you.
Thank you so much.
Yes, the best, but I guess my best wasn't good enough. 'Cause here we are back, we were before. Sana magustuhan ko.
Since nothing ever
Thank you guys.
changes,
Diyan ka
we're
ha.
back for being strangers. Wondering if we ought to stay or head on out the door.
Just once, can we do wrong, but we keep doing wrong. Why never last for very long? What are we doing wrong?
Just once, can we find a way to finally make it right?
Yes!
To make the magic last for more than just one night.
Diyan ba tayo guys? Alam ko siya lang na. Siyempre dun sa binidikit ko sa isang tao. Nakilala ko dito sa Esmul at nag-meet kami ngayong gabi. I give my all, but I think my all may have been too much. Whose Lord knows we're not in getting anywhere.
Things were always doing whatever we got going. And since the times we've only got, we haven't got a prayer.
Just once, and we be wrong, but we keep going wrong. Why the good times never last for long? We're going wrong.
Just once, can we find a way to finally make it right? Make the magic last for more than just one night.
I know we could be doing if we could just get to it just once. I want to understand why it always comes back to goodbye. Why can't we get ourselves ahead and admit to one another?
We're not good without each other. We could just make it better. Find a way to stay together.
Just once, can we find a way to make it right?
Aywa.
Oh, may magic last for more than just one night.
I know we could
Meron tayo, guys.
if we could just get to it just once.
Yes! Ang hirap pumirit. Oh, we can get to it. Just once. Salamat po, Jeff tayo guys. For you, sana may bigyan mo. Happy trip at ingat ka sa flight. Inshallah, nakita tayo.
Appreciate it.
Bye,
Thank you
Sam.
so much.
God bless you all guys. I love you all. For you, love, love. Love you too.